This is gonna be a video of my Harbor Breeze Contempo ceiling fan. I got this fan at Goodwill for $10, and this is actually the box it came in. Here. It came in this Paraduncle fan. Yeah, I'm guessing the homeowners were renovating, so they didn't want this fan anymore because it runs perfectly fine. So yeah, there's the light. And here's the fan. Over there, right there, is the original mounting bracket. I'm not using that. When I plan to put this installed, I'm gonna use a different mounting bracket than the one that's right up here right now. It's just a temporary mounting bracket. So yeah. Yeah, it's a good fan. For $10, I honestly got a pretty good steal. It was a pretty good price for this fan. I can feel a good breeze on low. I can feel a good breeze on low speed, which is kind of rare for any fan, really. Just the light. For those who do care, it does have incandescents in it because I just found light bulbs lying around and decided to put them in here. So yeah, here's medium. It's not the fastest fan I own. It's like not the fastest Harbor Breeze fan I own, but it's not the slowest. It's kind of just like a very weird mix. It's like sometimes slow and sometimes fast. Yeah. I really do like the swirly vents. Yeah. There's that. And high speed. Yeah, it's not a bad fan. I'd like to put this in my room someday. This looks really nice. Blowing a pretty good breeze. And it's also very quiet. Alright, reverse time. Just gonna give it a big boom. But yeah, it's not a bad fan at all. I'm just assuming that the homeowners were just renovating their house and they just didn't want this fan anymore. And it is wobbling a lot more on reverse. Which is a little weird. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, let's just wait to the spin down stops because it's not that long. But yeah, it's a good fan. And it stopped. Anyways, see you guys later. Goodbye.